In primetime news this evening, motorists outraged over weeks of fuel hike. Opposition seeks answers from the government. Garbage pileup. Authorities warn of collection crisis if residents do not change bad practices. And protesters ask JPS how come it is closing the offices they use.
Good evening and welcome to Primetime News. We're live on air and also on the internet on our One Spot media platform. I'm Herman Green. Also this evening, the top business stories of the day. There's sports commentary, e-prime and weather. And we also want your responses to our feedback question. This evening we're asking, what's your experience using free public Wi-Fi? Share your comments online, facebook.com/televisionjamaica, or you can tweet at Television Jam. Please stay tuned. Primetime News returns right after this break.